How to schedule a birthday message for Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can schedule a birthday message for Instagram so that you never miss an important celebration, even if you are busy or away. Whether you want to surprise a friend or make sure your birthday wishes are on time, scheduled post is super convenient trick you will want to know. So let's just dive right in and get into the video. So first of all, head over and launch your Instagram app, and before launching, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as the latest update of Instagram allows us to send scheduled birthday messages or any kind of scheduled messages. So here, after you have successfully logged in into your Instagram application, at the top right corner in the direct messages section, just go ahead and tap on it. After that, select the chat where you want to send the birthday message to. So here, write in a text your well wishes about your birthday, and after you have successfully returned the birthday message, you're gonna tap on this message section, long press on it, and you will be finding a timer here. So you're gonna set up your time where you wanna send the birthday message. Usually we set it up on 12 p.m. After that, tap on send to 12 p.m. And then there you go, you can see a message has been scheduled right here. So when you tap on it, you can see your scheduled message, which will be sent at 12 p.m. today. And that is it. Now you know how you can schedule your birthday message on Instagram so you can stay on top of celebrations even when your life gets busy. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.